we'll guide you through how to change the background in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs in your web browser and go to the document where you want to change the background color. Once you're in the document, look at the top menu bar and click on the File option. From the drop-down menu, select Page Setup. A new window will pop up, showing various options for your page. You'll see an option labeled Page Color in this window. Click on the color box next to it. A color palette will appear, allowing you to choose a new background color for your document. You can select one of the default colors or click on Custom to create a specific shade. Once you've picked your desired color, click OK to apply it. Your document will now have the new background color you selected. If you change your mind or want to experiment with different colors, you can always go back to the Page Setup menu and select a new color. This feature is a great way to make your document stand out or to categorize different documents by color for easy reference. Remember, changes made to the background color only apply to the current document, so if you create a new document, you'll need to repeat these steps if you want a similar background color. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.